Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee. As you all know, I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends, okay? And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 14 video, 18 video, 26 video, 34th video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And you can also do one thing, friends. You can directly connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJE 1906. Okay. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon so whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last topic, I have covered your mission on Earth. So this was a main topic. So I covered all what the topic I am going to cover in this video. So in this video, I'm going to cover the topic called what is your mission on Earth. And friends, this is 151 number video, and the topic is what is your mission on Earth. Okay, so I will start, friends. Okay, many people feel their life has no meaning. That three seems to be nothing but problem. How can this soul find a meaning in their life? So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri that in this earth world, many soul feel that there is no meaning in our life. Many a time we also feel that there is no meaning in our life, and what is the use of our life? What is the use of our existence? So let's see what Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri in regards to this question. First of all, never fear the obstacle that come your way. They exist to make you stronger. So here first thing that when you're leading the journey of this life in this earth world, so never fear the obstacle which is coming to your life, right? So this obstacle are coming to make you stronger. For example, if any problem are coming in your life, that problem is going to make you more stronger, friends. Okay, so never fear about your life, friends. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshed Bhavnagri. Also, do not be under the impression that you are on earth to suffer. So even we should also not be in the impression that we are here on the earth only to suffer, only to take the punishment we are here. No, it is completely wrong, friends. Okay, this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagri. Karma testing and training exist to help you change and to cleanse your soul. So karma testing exists to make our soul purified, to make us clean, right, and to make us spiritually uplifted. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagari. But God has given you a chance to do something wonderful on earth, your spiritual mission. So here God has given us chance to do something wonderful on earth, to create history, right? To complete our spiritual mission. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khurshid Bhavnagri. Every human being wants life to be meaningful, and this happens when you find your purpose. So all the human being on this earth wants that their life should be meaningful, and even this happens when we find the purpose of our life, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagari. That purpose is known as your mission, a promise between your soul and God, an oath you took in the spirit world before coming on earth. So, this mission is our spiritual mission, which is the promise between our we soul and the God, and the oath we have taken in the spirit world before we came in this earth world. So, this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagri. Each and every soul is on spiritual quest. That is the path you have chosen in the spirit world before being reborn. So each and every soul in this earth are on spiritual quest. That is the path we have chosen to be reborn on this earth because of a particular spiritual mission. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshad Bhavnagri. When you come to earth, you forget the very reason you choose to be born for the progress of your soul. So when we come in this earth, we forget the reason why we have born, the reason we have born for the progress of our soul. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Each human being has three missions. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling a very interesting thing. Vipsi and Ratu is telling that we each and every human being have a three spiritual missions, right? So let's see what are these missions. To improve spiritually, to selflessly serve others, to use individual gifts and talent for the growth of others. So these are our three missions on the earth which every human being have. The number one is to improve spiritually so that we could grow spiritually in our life, in our spiritual career. Second is to selfless serve others, to help others, other souls. And third mission is to use individual gift and talent for the growth of others. So whatever individual gifts and talent we have, to use that for the growth of other soul, right? So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari, friends. Okay. Human beings are on earth to change for a better. So we are here for to change our better, to make our life better. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. You can realize your full potential as a spirit being in the physical body only when you change from within, self improvement. So we can only realize our spiritual mission and our spiritual goals and our real potential when we change ourselves as a human being, and for when we improve ourselves from inside, that is self improvement, friends, which Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavanagari. Is your first mission. So this is our first mission, friends. Okay, to for that is self improvement, to change and work on the godly good path, no matter what the circumstances or obstacle in your life. So always work in a godly good path, no matter whatever obstacle and circumstances come in our life. Our only work is to work nicely in a spiritual path, friends. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. On earth, there will always be negative forces. Earth is a spiritual battleground. So on the earth, there are always going to be negative forces, right, friends? And earth is our spiritual background, friends. Okay, spiritual battleground. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. And the only way to prove your moral strength is to choose light when darkness is overwhelming. So, and only way to choose moral strength is only way to choose light when there is full darkness. So we have to, when we are in very much problem, that time we have to choose godly path, that is the godly path, that is spiritual path, friends, which Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Fighting evil does not mean you have to be vocal about it, judge people, or go to great length to expose them. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari that fighting evil doesn't mean that we should always shout at evil people, expose evil people, and make conspiracy against the evil people to make their real face, to bring their hypocrite face in front of the society. No. Exposing evil is important, but not when you anger yourself or your loved ones. So exposing other people is important, but not when you are anger yourself or your loved ones. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. However, you must not use this as an excuse to be cowardly either. So even we should not use this to be cowardly either also. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. The best way to fight evil is to be brave and simply do what is right every single time. So best way to fight with evil is to do whatever is right. Always do whatever is right, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. This is what it means to be on the godly good path. Without change, there can there can be no growth. So it is always advised that always be in godly good path, and without change there is no growth, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. When you follow the guidance of the subconscious mind, change become a natural part of your being and your change gracefully. And when we follow the instruction of our subconscious mind, so change becomes a natural part of a life of a human being, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. Step by step, when you change gracefully, you are able to handle your test and training. So step by step, when we change gracefully, we are able to handle our test and training, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. And you are able to pay off your negative karma as well. And even we are able to pay off our negative karma also as well, because you are using your subconscious mind, because the main reason is we are using our subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via kosher bhavnagari. Also, you can use your good karma, your spiritual gift and blessing for greater good. So we can use our spiritual blessing and gift for the greater good, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question bhavnagari. This comes your way only when you are on the right path, when you change gracefully. So this is going to come in our way only when we are in right path and when we change gracefully, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari. You are doing your best to bring God's plan into effect. So we are doing best to bring God's plan into effect, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari. When you fail to follow the guidance of your subconscious mind, you are resisting change. So friends, when we decide not to follow the instruction of our subconscious mind, so we are resisting change, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. You resist change because you give in the wrong justification that the physical mind provide. It tells you there is nothing wrong with you and you do not need to change. So we resist because many a time our physical mind tell us there is no need of change because you're correct in your way and you do whatever you feel and you're not wrong. So many a time we resist by listening to our physical mind. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshan Bhavnagri. The physical mind does not like change. Therefore, if you do not operate from your subconscious mind, change will not come naturally to you. So here physical mind doesn't like change, and if we do not work from our subconscious mind, that is spiritual mind, change is not going to come in our life. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. You will not change gracefully, but since you are not a bad soul and your subconscious mind is still slightly open, so you as we are not a bad soul, we are a good soul, and our subconscious mind is slightly open, friends. So there's Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari. You will get a physical blow. Some things will happen in your life. A shock or blow, such as loss of finance or health, to your make your open make you open your eyes. So something, if we are in a wrong path, so some wrong thing will happen in our life, that is loss of finance or loss of health, to make our eyes open. So this Ripsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshan Bhavnagari. The sad part about human being is that they can very easily ignore guidance, joy and blessing, but they cannot ignore pain. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling the sad part of human being is they can ignore joy, blessing and everything, but they cannot ignore pain, right? So we get pain so that we could get spiritually uplifted, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshan Bhavnagari. So pain comes to you to awaken you. Once you are awake, you realize that you are on the wrong path and that you need to change. So pain comes in our life to make us awake, and once we are awake, at that time we are in the right path and the pain immediately goes, friends. Okay, and we change. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari. If you had listened to your subconscious mind, you would not have need the pain to wake you up. So if we are listed with our subconscious mind, so there is no need of pain to waken up because our subconscious mind is open, friends. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. If even after receiving a physical blow you refuse to change, the blow will stop coming because your subconscious mind will become dormant. So after getting pain in life also, if we refuse to change, after a particular time even pain will stop coming because we have our subconscious mind have become dormant and we have refused the instruction of our subconscious mind, as Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. So do not assume that because everything is fine in your external life you are on the right path. So here you do not assume that if everything is right on your external path, that means you are right on your spiritual path. So this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. In other words, you might have changed for the worse. So there is quite possibility we have changed for the worse. So this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. You might have changed for the worse. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. This happens when you knowingly go on the wrong path. So this basically happens when we knowingly go in the wrong path. We know that this path is wrong, but we still keep on walking, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. When you change for the worse and go beyond the limit, your subconscious mind shut down completely and you realize what you have done only after you die. So whatever we are doing, when we keep on going in the wrong path, so our subconscious mind shuts immediately and we only realize when we die, friends, right? So what wrong we have done in our life. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. When you go to the lowest of realm in the spirit world, this is a terrifying thing. So when we are going in lowest of realm in the spirit world, this is a very terrifying thing, friends. Okay, when soul who think they are on the right path on earth go to the spirit world and are shocked to see where they have landed. So when soul are soul think those who are right on the earth world, right, and when they land after the death, when they land in the spirit world and when they see where they have landed, they are shocked to know that what they have done in their earth life, friends. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Self improvement or change must be undertaken for the right reason. So self improvement and even change should be undertaken for a right reason, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Sometimes people do not do think for the wrong reason. They want to be respected by others. They want to satisfy their ego by walking the spiritual path. They acquire knowledge in order to appear wise and learn. So sometimes to satisfy their ego also, they feel that I will work on the spiritual path to show the society that I am on spiritual path, where even this is wrong, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Or they do the right thing because they want a place in the heaven, or because they fear they will go to hell. Many a time people do good things so that they want to go to heaven, or they fear of going to hell, friends. Okay, these are not the right reason to change. So this is not the right reason to change, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. You should change because you believe in goodness and want to be a better human being. So we should change because we should believe in goodness and we should want to become a good human being, right? So we should do something good, not for going in heaven or not for going in hell. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Choose goodness for the sake of goodness itself. This is a very important statement, friends. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling choose goodness for the sake of goodness. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Instead of being spiritually ambitious and goal oriented, change because it make you feel better. So instead of being spiritually ambitious and goal oriented, we should think because changing should make us feel better, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Enjoy the journey, the destination, Realm 7 Stage 9. So we should enjoy our journey, and our destination is Realm 7 Stage 9. Is not the focus, the path or the change should be the focus. So this should not be the focus. Our focus should be our focus should be the change. Change should be our focus. Our focus should not be stage 7 relay 9. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end, right? And in our today's topic, I've covered the topic called what is your mission on the earth, friends. Okay, and in our next topic I'm going to cover the concept called sometimes people say I want to change but I am unable to. Are they being genuine when they say this? So this is going to be the next topic which I'm going to cover. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot cover this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay, and friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 24 video, 86 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU PHATTACHARJEE 1906. Okay. And before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. And let's us make this a beautiful earth, a place like heaven, and let us do good karma, and one day we all will be coming in the spirit world and you will say I used to see your video and today we are in the spirit world. Okay, so let us make so let us not, our focus should not be Realm 7 stage 9, but our focus should be change. Okay, so friends, this brings to end of today's video. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, stay blessed, and always be happy in your life, and one day we'll definitely come in the spirit world. Bye bye, friends. I will be meeting you in the next video, friends. Okay, till then, goodbye, take care, friends.